Hi class, very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Are we all? Say in one voice. Thanks for asking. We are fine. Say in one voice together. Thanks for asking.
How are you?
I am also good, thanks. Okay. So yesterday we had done present tense in all four forms, right?
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to do future tense with all the four forms. Okay? Anybody have any question before we start the class?
No, sir.
Are you sure? Okay. So we will be doing an activity on Saturday based on all three tenses with all four forms. And this activity will be team activity as we do every week. Okay. So as a part of our class, okay, in which we have some science. So in terms of science, we are going to revise science. Okay. In these science, we are supposed to discuss. We have some science which we should know before we start the class. For example, this sign is for this sign is for this is for future. Okay. Now listen. I will do some science. I will teach you after this. A class will be there. But tell me what I'm saying right now. Okay.
I was sleeping.
Very nice.
I was sleeping. I was sleeping.
Very nice. Now listen. See carefully. Anna? See carefully.
I sleep.
No.
I
Very nice. Muskan is right. I slept. Okay.
I am sleeping.
Very nice. Okay. So we'll do a story. Not today. Tomorrow we'll do a story. And then we'll do sentences like this. You will make sentences like this tomorrow. Okay. But today we have first we have a class on future tense. Okay. Now. Okay. So now, can you please catch it? Okay. Now please pay attention to the board. Is the board visible from here?
Yes, sir.
So, but your face
No, nobody is.
It's no
Okay.
problem.
So tell me, what are the single pronouns? What are the single pronouns?
He, she, it.
The single pronouns are he,
She,
she, and what are the plural pronouns? Plural pronouns are Okay, I have a question. Before we join English Express, how many of you know these things? There are two pronouns, singular and plural. How many of you knew this?
sir, I know. I know.
You knew all these are singular, these are plural pronouns. And see how much important are they in English. Did you see?
Yes,
You
sir.
ought to use adverbs, adjectives, and tenses, expressive voice. Everywhere you ought to use pronouns, right?
Yes, sir.
So you must know the pronouns to learn tenses as well. Okay. So now I am going to tell you how can we make sentences with these pronouns. Please keep silence. Okay. So you understand that they are pronouns, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first, very simple. We always have, the first is simple. Simple,
future tense.
future. Or, what is the other name? Future?
10.
No, other name, future?
Indefinite.
Future? Indefinite. So we call it future.
Indefinite. Simple future.
Or we call it simple. Future.
Simple.
Okay. What do you think? What do you think? A simple helping verb we use with this.
The verb will.
Will and shall. We always say I shall, we shall.
Yes.
But he, she, it, you, they, we use will. Still, if you use I will, it is also not incorrect. If we use we will, it is not incorrect. But it's better if we use shall. I shall, we shall. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So he will
He will eat. Going.
he will go.
He will go.
He will go. And now I will not make the chart now. One by one, come here and write down what shall we use here. Come fast.
Okay, sir.
Who will come here?
Sir, may I
Come in the chart. Shibra,
May I
come.
come?
But please take care of this, huh?
Sir,
Come.
Call from
Ah,
the
come.
Second chance.
And complete this.
Sir, call from the
Take care. Take care of this. Be careful, huh? Come.
All.
She's clever girl. Okay. Yeah.
8-1. Sir, 8-1.
You have to all.
Write down. Only one. He will go. She. Quickly. Shibra. She will leave it. She will leave it. She will leave it. Fatima, stop. Okay, good. Okay, and write fast. Quickly. So we will say she will go. It means वह जाएगी, वह जाएगा, वह जाएगा. It will walk. वह चलेगा. See your writing so bad.
Sir, my writing is.
It will walk. So we use the बेटे जैसे मैंने कहा ना आपसे कि I don't teach rules because rules याद करना is difficult. Understand the concept. समझो concept क्या है भैया? Future simple है. First हमारी वो कि मैं जाऊंगा बुलाएगा. Don't learn the concept. English बोलने के लिए ग्रामर का सीखना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी नहीं है. वो ऑटोमेटिकली रहती है आपको. If you go to school, automatically because you have practice speaking. Okay, or if you practice here in the center, you are able to learn English. So rules का याद करना जरूरी नहीं है. And important is concept, and automatically it comes. Automatically it comes. So we say she will go.
It will bark.
She will
It will dance.
go. It will bark.
Stop.
वह भौंकेगा.
I shall go.
It will bark. वह भौंकेगा.
I shall go.
I
Shall
shall go. मैं जाऊंगा. I
Shall go.
shall and we.
We will write. We can.
Did we hear a song? We shall overcome.
Yes, sir.
We don't say we will overcome. We shall overcome. Right. So we
Shall.
we shall
shall. You
shall
You shall.
you will
You will. You will.
we will
and they will. Is better? Okay. You are online. Now can you see the board now?
Sir, in you, we will use will or shall.
Fine.
Sir,
Excuse me, sir.
Now?
Yes.
excuse me, sir.
You are yes, sir.
Pardon?
So, मेरा answer बता दो.
Better hold on. Better, she's online. She's online. She's watching us online. So can you please off the light? She sees the flash on the board. Can you please off the light from there?
Sir, this.
Anand, please tell me. Please acknowledge once you see the board. Is
Sir,
fine
this
now?
light, this one. Sir, this light.
Close this one.
Sir, because it is.
On this, off this one. This one. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Fine now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we will say, okay, listen to me. On the slide, please. Now you say, I shall go, we shall go.
Sir, in you, we will use will or shall.
Please keep quiet, class.
Sir, Tabish is saying something.
Anam, can you see now?
Sir, Tabish is
Anam, where the
Balloon, excuse me, sir.
Okay, quiet, over the lights. Now,
Sir, please bring in the.
don't touch lights now, on it. On it, please. On it.
Sir, sir,
Fine.
sir, please come in the center. It will focus.
Okay. Now,
Can you use
Excuse me,
we
sir.
will?
He is saying, can we use we will? You can use we will, but it's more appreciated, it's more better if you use shall. Hamad's question is, sir, can we use will? I say, yes, you can say will, no worries, but it's more appreciated, it's more good if you use shall. Okay?
Sir, if you.
You will. Only we and I shall, rest will.
And they also will.
Uh-huh.
In they also
They will, they will. They will go, he will go, means वह जाएगा, वह जाएगी, वह भोगेगा, मैं जाऊंगा, हम जाएंगे, तुम जाओगे, वे जाएंगे. Clear?
Yes.
Ammar Jawad, any question यहाँ तक? Are you sure?
Yes.
Jasna, Nabil, Hamza? Okay. Now, the next, what, common sense, कौन सा आएगा?
Sir.
focusing.
हाँ?
Future continuous.
Future continuous.
Please take care. Okay. The next is future continuous. Future continuous. Okay. So in future, what है continuous? तो क्या आएगा automatically इसमें? आना ing. It means एक काम इंशाल्लाह future में होगा. One work will happen in the future. Okay. So for example, he will. Okay. एक इसमें shortcut थोड़ा सा. It's a trick. Okay, it is not a rule of English. It's a trick by me. It's, you can say Alifin's trick. You can say it? Alifin's trick. Okay. F for future, F for faltu.
F for future, F for
So there is one word come faltu in this.
B.
B. B. So he will be.
going.
So this is a faltu word. He will be.
Going. She will be going.
इसका मतलब क्या होगा? इसमें क्या आएगा? वह जा रहा होगा.
जाना होगा. वो जा रहा.
He will be going. वह जा रहा होगा फ्यूचर में. इसमें गा गे गी गूंगे इन ऑल टाइम्स लोग ऐसे पढ़ाते थे इसको. आपने किसने पढ़ा शायद, आई एम नॉट श्योर. ता है, ती है, तू है, ते है, भूल जाओ उसको. गा है, गी है, बस समझो फ्यूचर है, काम होएगा. In the future, the work will happen, and this person will be going. वह जा रहा होगा. He was going. वह जा रहा था. He is going. वह जा रहा है. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope it's more clear to you. So now what will come here? She will.
Be going. It will be going. It will be barking.
What is faltu in this?
Be.
It will be barking.
It
It will be barking.
will be.
Barking.
Okay. Tell me what all comes in it. It में क्या क्या आता है? It के अंदर
Animals.
animal, not animals, animal, thing or place. There's a thing. It's thing. Put your tongue between your teeth.
Thing.
Kauthar, same thing. Think. Okay. So think. It will be barking. So things, not things. Thing, place or animal. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any question? Okay. So we will say
I shall be go.
I shall be going.
I shall be going.
I
Shall be.
shall be. मैं जा रहा होऊंगा. वो था कौन था ये?
Shall
बेटा प्लीज डोंट से, डोंट इंसल्ट मी. ओके. ओके. नाउ सी, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? वी
We shall be going.
हम जा रहे
होंगे.
इंशाल्लाह. हाँ. Can you inshallah with this? Okay. Now, which is the third tense?
Future perfect.
Future perfect.
Perfect. Yes.
What is the answer of the question in the question?
Yes, sir.
He will be gone.
He will
He will be gone.
He will have gone.
Okay. The answer of the question is in the
Question.
future.
Perfect.
I'm sorry, I put capitals. So I put it like this. It's perfect. Okay, so future perfect means बेटे perfect है तो क्या होगा इसके अंदर?
हो चुका है
What do you think? Perfect है. Good past.
हो चुका होगा
Now combination two things, future and past. मतलब
हो चुका
एक काम future भी है past भी है.
होगा और हो चुका होगा
Example दो.
I shall have completed this work by next Monday.
I shall क्या हो गया future? I shall.
completed the work I shall completed the work
Okay, thank you Anna. And he
will completed the work he will be gone he will have
will have. The only बेटे listen, have खाने के लिए भी आता है, having भी आता है, कंडीशन में have आपके पास कुछ है और टाइम के लिए भी आता है यहाँ पे. He will have, he will have eaten. वह खा चुका होगा और फिर से gone. He will have, वह जा चुका होगा. It means फ्यूचर में वह जा चुका होगा. पास्ट टेंस हो गया. फ्यूचर भी है और पास्ट भी है.
जब तक तो पहुंच गया होगा
Quite big in English. What is the next sentence we'll use? He, she,
he will have gone
Gone.
she will,
Have gone.
वह
जा चुकी
होगी. Okay. यहाँ तक any question, any doubt, guys? Any question, any doubt? Yes, is it? What? Pardon?
give mic चाहिए
He will have gone. वह जा चुका. gone क्या है? gone. वह जा चुका होगा. काम फ्यूचर में खत्म हो चुका होगा. मैं दिल्ली जा चुका होऊंगा. काम फ्यूचर में है, होगा, लेकिन होगा काम फ्यूचर में, खत्म हो जाएगा. काम फ्यूचर में खत्म हो जाएगा. Open the book. The book we have. Open the book. The page number
70.
future perfect. Okay. यहाँ देखो स्टोरी देखो. See the story. John works in an automobile factory. He works on the assembly line. He assembling car. He works many hours every day. By the time he finishes working today, he is going to have worked. He is going to have worked. वह काम फ्यूचर में कर चुका होगा. Okay, or else you see the sentences. He will have played. वह मैच खेल चुका होगा. आप यू आर डूइंग ना आप ये करो एक्सपेक्टेशन. आपके उम्मीद है आपको कुछ उससे कि आप सोच रहे हो कि वो ऐसा काम हो चुका होगा. आप सोच रहे हो कि शायद जब मैं दिल्ली जाऊंगा वह मेरा माल बना चुका होगा, वह ऑर्डर कर चुका होगा, मैं उसके घर जाऊंगा, वो जोमेटो से खाना ऑर्डर कर चुका होगा. फिर आप घर जा रहे हो, उसके एक इंसान के पास आप घर जा रहे हो, उसने कहा है कि आपको वो ऑनलाइन खाना मंगा के खिलाएगा. आप गए नहीं हो अभी, आप घर उसके जाओगे, आप भी अपने घर पे हो, तो आप सोच रहे हो आप जाओगे, गए नहीं हो. जब मैं पहुंचूंगा तो वह खाना मंगा चुका होगा. He will have ordered. मैं क्लियर ना? मैं क्लियर? तो एक काम फ्यूचर में हो चुका होगा. मैं क्लियर ना? Zaid, any question? Junaid, any question? Nabil? Hamza, Jasna, Muskana, you, Anam, any question here? Okay, yeah. एक काम फ्यूचर, ओके, लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल. आपकी एक फ्रेंड ने बुलाया है आपको, पार्टी में बुलाया घर पे अपने, ठीक है. आपको देवरी जाने के लिए उसे केक काटना है. क्या काटना है? केक. अब आप भी अपने घर पे हो, लेकिन आपको जाना है, गए नहीं हो आप, फ्यूचर टेंस, आपको जाना है. ओके, तो जब तक मैं उसके घर जाऊंगी वह केक काट चुकी होगी. वह केक काट चुकी होगी. तो अभी आप अपने घर पे हो, आपको वहां जाने वहां गए नहीं हुए. आप एक्सपेक्टेशन प्रेडिक्टिंग, आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं उसके घर जाऊंगी, वह केक काट चुकी होगी. काम फ्यूचर में पूरा हो चुका होगा. क्लियर है? आगे बेटा. तो आई हैव, शी विल हैव कट, शी विल हैव कट केक. वह केक काट चुकी होगी. क्लियर है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
और मोर एग्जाम्पल लेते देखो. जब बोर्ड का रिजल्ट आएगा, कोरोना वायरस खत्म हो चुका होगा. अभी आया नहीं है, आप सोच रहे हो कि आएगा, एक्सपेक्टिंग, प्रेडिक्टिंग, और रिजल्ट आपका आएगा और वायरस खत्म हो गया होगा. सो दो काम मेरे साथ में हो रहे हैं. यू आर थिंकिंग फॉर द टू वर्ड्स. ओके, जब वो होगा तो ऐसा हो चुका होगा. So you can use time markers here as well. टाइम मार्कर्स का आप यहां भी यूज सकते हो कि दो काम हो रहे हैं एक साथ, तब आप सोचो कि वो काम हो चुका होगा. एनी क्वेश्चन, एनी डाउट? हमाद, जवाब. ओके, नाउ I shall have played. मैं खेल चुका होऊंगा. मेरे पापा जब सुबह उठेंगे, आप पापा से बगैर पूछे मैच लेके चले गए, पापा की कार ले गए, बाइक ले गए पापा की. अब पापा, आप यार, मैं जब खेल के वापसी आऊंगा पापा उठ चुके होंगे. तो यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्यूचर in present. When you expect something to happen in future, but thinking in a present tense, presently you are thinking for future. The work will finish. Then we use future perfect tense. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Jasna, am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
नजीम, क्या बताया मैंने, बताओ. चल भाई.